this is the final episode of day one. I have to say, this is my favorite episode of all because this is where we're going to get the bots with just one click to go and update your layout straw to show all the hard work that we've done throughout today. You're going to see all of these layouts with your colors, with your fonts and your images ready to drag and drop on any page. Now, for many of you, you'll feel that your design work is done, and it might be. Getting this far is perhaps enough for many of you. But on day 3, we're going to go in and show you how to customize layouts and even build them from scratch so that your team can use your layouts in day 4. And to wrap the session, I'll give you a quick tour of the layouts drawer to show you some of the layouts, and this will inspire you for the types of layouts you want to make for your website. Okay, let's do this. Let's use those bots to update the layouts drawer.